natin talaga si Tito Dolphy. But there is one woman who I can safely say was the one who loved him the most. She was with him for the past 23 years and with him when he had his last breath. Please welcome my dear friend, Shasha Padilla.
Magsiupo kayo. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. This is such a beautiful service. Come to me and I will give you rest. Basil, napaka-inspiring yan. Kasi si Dolphy battled with COPD for about 6 or 8 years. Nag-umpisa yun na nagkakaroon siya ng walking pneumonia. Hindi pa namin naiintindihan kung ano yun, bakit masama daw yung pakiramdam niya, wala naman siyang lagnat, ganyan. Isang beses sa isang taon, napupunta siya sa ospital, hanggang 2 beses sa isang taon, 3 beses, padalas ng padalas. Hanggang 2.5 years ago, sinabi na sa amin na stage 4 na siya ng COPD. Kinailangan namin kausapin lahat ng mga anak niya. At mula noon talaga, naramdaman ko na talagang isang tunay kaming pamilya. Posible naman pala na kahit ang mga anak ni Dolphy ay nanggaling sa iba-ibang nanay, pwede naman kami magkaisa. Yan po naranasan namin, katulad ng sinabi ni Eric itong huling buwan. At Eric, katulad ng sinabi mo, nais namin pasalamatan ang sambayanan na nagdasal at nag-shower ng pagmamahal kay Dolphy throughout his life, his career, and of course, during his illness. Naparamdam niyo po sa kanya na mahalagang bahagi siya sa buhay niyo at pagkatao natin bilang Pilipino. Sa napakarami, kapag binigkas ang pangalang Dolphy, nakadikit, ngiti. Kahit ako, sabi ko nung nasa hospital, naalala ko lang dahil siyempre pag artista ka, medyo conscious ka sa camera, bigla ako nangingiti. So siguro naloloka na si Shashing, oh. Kasi sa hospital po, wala akong ginawa kung hindi kulitin siya. Sabi ko, Mama, kasi dumating ang mama ko ng isang araw, hindi kaya feeling ni Dolphy, hindi ako nalulungkot para sa kanya. The lovey, ayan. Pag ganyan yan, natutuwa siya. Kunya, kinikilig yun eh. Katulad na sinasabi ni Ma'am Charo, mahihain si Dolphy, pero deep down, kinikilig-kilig, di ba? Tapos, madalas siya sa hospital, kapag sinabi ko, Lovey ko, gumaganon siya eh. Parang, di ba? Parang takot pa sa asawa or something. Hindi naman. Pero that's our gauge for understanding kung talaga bang conscious siya. Dahil sabi ko na, kung bang hindi na ako pinapansin, Lovey ko, nakaganyan na ako. Medyo ninenervous na kami ng konti. I will always remember him not just with a smile in my face, but of course it's sad because I really miss him. I miss you, Lovey. Napakarami po ang pinagkakutangan namin ng pasasalamat. Ang mga doktor niya, ang mga private nurses, ang mga orderlies. Napakarami pong tao ang nag-donate ng dugo para kay Dolphy. Lahat po ng tao sa Makati Med who gave their best care and possible and utmost respect. Thank you very much. Apart from our family, the numerous friends who went on a daily basis to check on his condition. I can't thank each person individually, but so many people and friends from our business generously shared with us to help shoulder Dolphy's medical expenses. In the almost 70 years that he worked, Dolphy quietly and without drawing attention to himself nurtured co-workers and colleagues, sharing not only monetarily, but sharing his time and wisdom. The management of TV5, who continued to give Dolphy his salary throughout the remainder of his life. Thank you for the respect you gave his name, for renewing his contract despite knowing he could never tape again. And of course, ABS-CBN, na sumugal kay Dolphy noong 1992 para makabalik siya sa pinakamamahal niyang telebisyon. Hindi ko na kailangang balikan ang nakaraan. Saksi kayo sa lalim ng pagmamahal na binigay ni Dolphy sa akin. At napatunayan niya nga na sa loob ng 23 years kung gaano kalalim at katatag ang aming love story. Maraming salamat, ABS-CBN, for taking care of his legacy, preserving his body of work for generations of Filipinos to enjoy in perpetuity. I know that this service will make Dolphy so happy dahil mula pa sa panahon ni Kapitan Henny Lopez, si Dolphy sa buhay, kamatayan at sa langit ay isang tunay na kapamilya. In loving the man, I came to accept all that came with him. His legacy, his personality, when not in front of the camera, and of course his children. Hindi po naging madali lahat ng yun, pero he was worth it. To his children, I know each one realizes that their father loved each of them totally. And in his dying days, when we would all crowd his ICU room, I would tell him that he was so lucky. So, Lovey, ang swerte-swerte mo talaga. Dahil ang dami-dami nagmamahal sa'yo. Hindi lang mga anak mo nandito, yung mga kapatid mo, mga apo mo, mga pamangkin mo. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. To all his kids who came home from all over the world, Dolphy went to heaven with joy in his heart because you were all with him during his last days on earth. Thank you very much, Boy, Sally, Junior, Edgar, Rolly, Kit, Dino, Sonny, Edwin, Ronnie, Donna, Epi, Romel, for being a source of inspiration for Dolphy to work hard and to appreciate the blessings his talents afforded him. Freddie, who I know is happy to welcome him in heaven. To Eric, maraming salamat for being the voice of calm and reason and for being so organized. You make your dad so proud. To Vandolph, Nicole, Zia, napakaswerte niyo kasi nabuhusan kayo ng pagmamahal at maraming panahon. Kayo ang nagbigay kayo ang nabigyan ng sinisikap ng bawat magulang na maibigay yung quality time. Okay, thank you very much for your acceptance and for your forgiveness. To all his other kids, ang daddy, Papa, nagpaalam siya with peace in his heart. Itong 5 linggo na magkakasama tayo sa ospital, mas nagkakausap tayo, mas nagkakaintindihan. And of course, ang ating common bond, ang ating pagmamahal para kay Dolphy. To Dolphy, thank you very much for being so proud of me, for giving me my 2 girls, for being so thoughtful, and for doing your best to provide for us. Kung meron siyang kapintasan, palagi kong sinasabi, yun ay pagiging sobra niya mapagbigay. Mahirap magsabi sa kanya na may gusto kong bagay kasi kung mahal ka niya, gagawin niya ang lahat para maibigay yun sa'yo. Love you taught me how to be strong. Ayaw niya ako nakikitang umiyak. Sabi ko nga sa mga direktor ko sa teleserye, dito ko lang talaga ginagawa yun. Sa totoong buhay, nasa ambulansya kami, katatonig, ganyan lang. Ayaw niya ako makikitang umiyak kasi hindi niya kaya talaga. Ours was not a conventional family. Pero sa'yo ko natutunan kung paano mahalin at magmahal. Allow me to close this with the lines from our favorite song. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care, for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you through the years. I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. Kagaya nung huling naibulong mo sa akin bago ka mamaalam. Love you ko.
Jaja has been